So now let's see how we can work around with permission settings inside of YouTube Studio. So over here, I am in the home page of YouTube Studio. And if I were to go under settings right here, then under permissions, what happens is that you can manage out permission for your particular brand account. So if I were to go to manage permissions, then what happens is that it uploads out the brand account details. And from over here, what I can do is I can delete my brand account as well. That is because your brand account is different from your personal account. So you can also go around onto manage permissions and you see all the users who are there right here. So you are the primary owner, as you can see. You can click on the plus button to invite more users as well and choose a role for them from over here. So here you can see that I have added another person as manager. So over here, what I can also do is I can change it to owner right here, just like this, and make the other person owner as well. So once that happens, they become the owner and they will have much more permission level. You can also go around and change them to primary owner, meaning what happens is that you can transfer the ownership of your brand account to the other owner right here. But I'm just going to cancel that right here. Let's say, for example, you transfer the ownership of the brand account to the other owner, what happens is that the other owner will become the primary owner then and will be able to delete you out from the permission section as well, because they will have the permission for the entire brand account once this is true. You can go around and remove them out from over here as well, as you can see, and this is what you have. So let me just go back out right here on the channel dashboard, and here it says move permission to YouTube Studio over here as well. So if I were to go around and choose this, then here you can see that I can go around and change around the role right here. So let's say, for example, you can choose a role for each of the person that is there as well. For example, there's another person right here. So you want to, let's say, for example, make other person the viewer only, or maybe let's say, for example, a subtitle editor, then they will be able to only add in subtitle to the videos. So you can press understand right here, click on invite, and then what happens is that the person who's invited will be able to edit the subtitles for your video. And that will be the permission for that particular account right here, as you can see. So pending acceptance is there right here, just like this. So they'll have to accept out the invitation for this particular permission right here. Permission right here, just like this. And you can also remove out the access for that particular person, or you can choose another role anytime that you want. And that is how you can work around with permission settings inside of YouTube Studio while managing a brand account with different accounts, that is different groups of people that you're working with. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.